Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a new app called Spocket Middletown. What is Spocket Middletown? Spocket Middletown is a new app that allows you to connect with other people who are interested in the same things you are. It's like a social media platform, but it's specifically designed for people who live in Middletown, Ohio. How does Spocket Middletown work? When you sign up for Spocket Middletown, you'll create a profile that includes your interests, hobbies, and what you're looking for in a friend. The app will then match you with other people who share your interests. Once you've been matched with someone, you can start chatting with them, making plans to hang out, or even just connecting on a deeper level. What are the benefits of using Spocket Middletown? There are a number of benefits to using Spocket Middletown. Here are a few of the most important. It's a great way to meet new people. If you're new to Middletown, or if you're just looking to expand your social circle, Spocket Middletown is a great way to meet new people who share your interests. It's a great way to stay connected with your community. Spocket Middletown is a great way to stay up to date on what's happening in your community. You can find out about upcoming events, learn about new businesses, and connect with other people who are passionate about the same things you are. It's a great way to find support. If you're going through a tough time, Spocket Middletown can be a great way to find support from other people who understand what you're going through. How can I sign up for Spocket Middletown? Signing up for Spocket Middletown is easy. Just go to the website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and password. Once you've signed up, you can start using the app immediately. What are some of the features of Spocket Middletown? Here are a few of the features of Spocket Middletown. Chat. You can chat with other users in real time. Groups. You can join groups of people who share your interests. Events. You can find out about upcoming events in your community. News. You can stay up to date on the latest news from Middletown. Marketplace. You can buy and sell items locally. Is Spocket Middletown free? Yes, Spocket Middletown is free to use. Is Spocket Middletown safe? Yes, Spocket Middletown is a safe platform to use. All user data is encrypted and protected, and there are a number of safety features in place to protect users from abuse. Who can use Spocket Middletown? Spocket Middletown is available to anyone who is 18 years or older and who lives in Middletown, Ohio. What are some of the challenges of using Spocket Middletown? One of the challenges of using Spocket Middletown is that it can be difficult to find people who share your interests. This is especially true if you're new to Middletown or if you have niche interests. Another challenge is that Spocket Middletown can be time-consuming. If you're not careful, you can easily spend hours scrolling through profiles and chatting with people. How can I make the most of Spocket Middletown? Here are a few tips for making the most of Spocket Middletown. Be patient. It may take some time to find the right people to connect with. Be active. The more you use the app, the more people you'll meet. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Be respectful. Treat other users with respect. Have fun. Spocket Middletown is meant to be a fun and enjoyable experience. Spocket Middletown is a great way to meet new people, stay connected with your community, and find support. If you're looking for a way to connect with other people who share your interests, I highly recommend giving Spocket Middletown a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.